how to use ChatGPT. So let's start it. First of all, open your Chrome browser and here write ChatGPT and click search. You can see many websites and links are available here. So here OpenAI introducing ChatGPT.com. Click on this and the page is opened in your browser. Wait here and click on try ChatGPT. The new tab is open here and you can see here your ChatGPT homepage, and you can also log in with your email ID by clicking on it, and your history is available on this tab. So I can use this ChatGPT with here I search any question, ask any question with AI and click enter. I get that answer. So this is the method how can we use ChatGPT.